Looking for an e-learning platform for your team? OpenSesame promises access to thousands of courses, but is it worth it? I tested it extensively, and here's what you need to know. OpenSesame offers a vast library of courses in compliance, leadership, IT, and soft skills. Most people assume all e-learning platforms are similar, but OpenSesame stands out for its curated content and integration options. You can purchase individual courses or subscribe to bundles that match your company's training goals. Using the platform was intuitive. I could assign courses, track progress, and generate completion reports easily. Integration with popular LMS systems made it seamless for my team to access content without extra logins. The course quality varies slightly depending on the topics, and modules are highly engaging with interactive quizzes, while a few older courses feel dated. Pricing is flexible. You can pay per course or subscribe for a set of courses each month. For teams that need ongoing training and compliance courses, it's cost-effective compared to hiring instructors or buying multiple standalone courses. In conclusion, OpenSesame is ideal for businesses that want a scalable, flexible e-learning solution. While some courses could use updates, the platform overall delivers on accessibility, tracking, and variety. Subscribe for more software reviews, e-learning tips, and advice on choosing platforms that boost your team's skills efficiently.